On this video, I will demonstrate how my FreeBND web application use a database and communicates to the database. For example, on this case, you can see the link database table just include 7 different links. So if I go to the FreeBND web application, I log in as a user to add link inside. Let's see what is happening. Let's say I click the J user, log in as a J user. So I add another new link inside. Then you can see what is happening. So let's say I will be add another link. It's called wow. So www.wow.com.au. So in here you can see www.wow.com.au already entered into the database. We go back to see the database table again. Then we just click the box icon to see what is happening about the database table link. So you can see the wow has been added into the database. This is proof that how my system communicate to the database. Let's say I want to edit the database, the wow link. That means I want to modify the wow link description. Wow is a shop provide to selling the electric stuff. In Toowoomba. So I hit the Toowoomba. It's not the error. So I hit the update button. So you have a look. The wow is a shop provide to selling the electric stuff in Toowoomba. So you can browse the table again. So they also update the information. So you can see when the user modify the content under the FreeBND management, then the FreeBND management will retrieve the information from the database and also let the user to modify it and save it back to the database. Let's say I directly click the delete button to delete the wow. Links, wow web links. Yeah, see what is happening. Probably. So I just click the browse, see the wow is already deleted or no? Not yet. So I think I not modify. So So I try to delete the wall again. So you can see the wording already deleted. Then you just try to browse. So this is push this. When the user to delete the wall weight dim in the favoring weight management. After the user to click the delete button, then the wall weight dim will deleted from the database. That means the favoring management will communicate to the database and delete it from the database. So finally we can prove that how the favoring management in the favor web application to communicate to the database. And this one is using the PHP MySQL database. So now I will be logged out.